Alright, so I'm gonna be unboxing the Vacmaster Beast. This is supposed to be stronger than the Ridgid, a little bit more suction. See what comes inside. So, sorry about the shaky camera. Let's give this a go. So, it's supposed to have more suction than the Ridgid, a little bit stronger. Comes with a little bit better accessories. And just wanted to get the best one. I don't see many reviews online for it, but should I say videos? So I thought I'd do one. So sorry. All right. So extension cable. It's not a cable. Tube. Another one. There you go. Carpet cleaner. And then see if I can get this bad boy out. So, pretty good size. Actually pretty small. Assume there's a handle in here. It is not. So, let's look inside. There it goes. Alright, let me take. Alright, so it does come with a 7-foot hose. Then we have filter, some sort, handle for the top. I think this is a muffler. I'll read the instructions. Boneless comes with a bag. Carpet cleaner. Hooks. The wand. It's pretty good size, probably about 8-9 inches. I reckon that's it. 2 screws. That's it. Let's see if we can put the handle on this guy really quick. Goes there. Sorry for the camera work. Tripod. Can't find my mount. But there it goes. That is the Vacmaster Beast. Alright. Put it together. Try it in the car. So it's good to go now. Just put the side clips. Those are for the hose. I put the muffler on, but it sounds about the same. It's not very loud. It's actually pretty quiet. In my garage, it's about, I don't know, 8:30 at night, so it's not too loud. Let's see how it works in the girl's car. I said I did pretty good. Without using the tip. There's still some more, like down in here. It didn't pick up. I'll put the smaller tip in, but most of the big stuff Actually looks pretty good. I'm impressed. All right, guys, stay tuned. So I gotta say, just did a quick vacuum, and it basically pulled up everything. Just did it here, up front. The rest of the car is dirty, but I'm impressed. Looks good. So the vacuum's on the right, unvacuumed on the left. Came out pretty good, like a little stain or something, but need to get to that. All right, so I'm pretty impressed with it. This is how I'm gonna leave it set up. Leave the hose in, it wraps around once, one clip on one side, hose out there in the back. If you flip it around, it has the little kickstands for the feet, kick them out, and that's how you put the storage cord in. It worked great, man. The cars came out really good. I really like it. Really light. 7-foot cord was long enough. I thought it was gonna be too short, but it worked out perfect. Cars look good. I did a real quick job. It's late at night, but I just wanted to try it really quick. It's good, man. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. Thanks.